When you see a recipe, you're going to see something like cut the vegetable into matchsticks. When you see matchsticks, it's very simple. It's small pieces, you know, looks like a matchstick. Not like the paper ones that you see in a matchbook, but more of the ones that you see, like the wooden matchsticks that you see in a box. So you'll have the vegetable, you know, you get a flat piece or flat enough piece, and you just cut it into matchsticks. And a lot of the recipes that we deal with, you know, do that. So it just makes it easier to cook, it's faster to cook, and it's easier to eat when you have it. So matchsticks is something very simple. You can see it, it's just slicing it thin. That's really it. That's what matchsticks means.